pre-market price line time 6:04 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 3/5/2012. MMTs are gathered to take a look at the price exhaustion on the top side of the price line breakout. So what does that mean? It means that we're looking for reversals. And what are we looking for? This is a daily chart now, right up here where my pointer is. We're looking for the reversal on the top end on all time levels to start dropping in the bid and ask ratio, of course. And then you can see the kind of movement. Each one of these lines today are $5.17, okay, on the daily. And it prices it to the penny. Doesn't lie. And you can see how we had these this last breakout, and I'll reload it here after the market opens. However, we're going to get a bid and the ask, and we're going to take a look at what a 1/4 delta and an 8 delta high would be on price line, and where does it start to peak with that intraday reversal. And that intraday reversal would have to be at least 17s from the high. And so you can go look and see what a teeny is. All right, but a half a delta movement on this daily is $5.17, and you can see how accurate it is. So if you got two half deltas here, that's a $10 reversal from that last high, from the gap, from the earnings. Look, bingo. And then look at the bid pop. Look at that bottom, and they just started barreling in again. Look at that daily bot. Look at the daily bot. So focus on it because it does pay money. And a lot of it. Oh, that's the part that's going to make you feel good about what you're doing there. The price line bid and ask can be in, I've seen them wide before. Today it's only what? So you got a 645, you got a 650, you got a 651. You go right up at the top. What you're going to be looking for, and I need them, Brian Plain, I need the options loaded on this baby. This price line deal can work out very nicely for you when done correctly. And you're going to want to take a look at the 660 put, the 670 put, and naturally the 650, those three. On the lower end of the market, you're going to be looking at the 630 call, the 640 call, and the 650 call. Those are the strike prices for both weighted averages. And then we'll see. You can see this is a nice one here because you have that exhaustion gap on price line right now. And we can see that clearly. And it's live, it's here, it's now, it's pre-market, it's closing price 645.86, bid 650.66, and the ask is 651.00. Same thing we seen back in year 2000 with Priceline. It's always been a leader of the NASDAQ. It's like a tracking stock in its own way. So it's up at its all-time highs, just as all of the indexes are. Price exhaustion is the key ingredient that when you get a lower bid print below the previous half bar, so the lower print, that is going to be your confirmation, MMT. That's the part you're going to want to know in the price. So if I'm printing lower in the bid and ask ratio, that means that it's very weak at the high. And there's a reversal that's going to start. So those are the key elements. Let's get back to the chart. Once again, we have a clear chart here in the MMT platform. We know exactly what the delta ranges are going to be on a daily level. I have given out both the call side and the put side of the market so that we have it weighted correctly within the price action structure.